Welcome back to my channel. Today is January 4, 2021. Ayan. For this tutorial is how to redeem your Google Play. Ayan. Punta ka muna sa Play Store. And then click mo yung sa gilid, may tatlong dot. Punta ka sa payment methods. And then punta ka sa redeem code. Ayan. Tapos i-type mo yung gift card number. I-scratch mo lang. Ayan, tapos i-type mo yung gift card. Type mo lang yung, scratch mo yung gift card sa likod na binili mo sa store. WFC4VEUNS9. Click mo yung redeem. Ayun, tapos kailangan i-confirm mo. Click mo yung confirm. Then, ayoko mag-purchase. So, i-check mo ulit magkano na yung gift card mo. Click mo yung payments method. Ayan, nakita nyo $30. Ayan, very easy lang guys. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share and comment down below para mabalikan ko yung video nyo. Ayan, have a good day.